Hey everybody, today I'll be filming a tutorial on a Black Lives Matter / Black History Month makeup look. My eyebrows are already done. The products for this entire makeup look will be listed down below. My face is already moisturized, and next I'll be priming my eyelids. To prime my eyelids, I'll be using Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the color 330, and this is what it looks like. And I'll be using this brush. And then to blend it out, I'll be using my sponge. For the eyeshadow look, I'll be using my Colourpop Yes Please palette, along with this makeup kit that I got from Ulta. So to start off, I'll be using this color French Kiss from the Yes Please palette, and I'll be using it in the inner corner of my eyelid. And to apply it, I'll be using this brush. So when you do this, make sure to just pack it on until you get the amount of yellow that you want. And then pack it on like about 1/3 of your eyelid. And just keep packing until you get the brightness you want. And then go to the other eye. Okay, so now you have the yellow one. Next, you'll be going in with this green color right here. And this is from my Ulta kit. And then using the other side of the same brush, pack on the green in the middle of the eyelid. And overlap a little bit over the yellow so it like blends in. And just keep packing the green on until you get the color amount that you want. And when you put the green on, like blend it a little bit at the top so it just blends in more effortlessly with the yellow. Okay, this is what your eye should look like at this point. Just the yellow and the green. So for the final color, you'll be using this red color right here, Buttercake from the Yes Please palette for the outer lid. And use the same side of the brush that you used the yellow. So just pack it on and overlap it a little tiny bit over the green. And then just keep packing it on until you get it how you want it to look. Make sure to blend the top of the red so it blends in more with the green. And then wipe away any excess color that's on the eye. If you need to, just go back in with certain colors so that it's bright. So I'll be going back in with the green right on the right eye. just to blend everything in more seamlessly. And then pack this yellow on. And this is what your eyes should look like. This eye look is meant to be dramatic, but if you don't want it to be so dramatic, you could just blend in the shades more so it's not as prominent. But I like to be dramatic, okay? And this is what it should look like. It's very bold. It makes a statement. So now it's time for concealer. I'll be using Maybelline Dream Brightening Creamy Concealer in the color 40. And this is what it looks like. I'll just be doing my eyes at this point. And then take your sponge and blend it out. This is what it should look like. It's not blended out that much. It hasn't really done anything. But I'm about to add foundation and more concealer, so it will help the look. So for my foundation, I'll be using CoverGirl True Blend in the color D2. And this is what it looks like. I'll just be putting it on my sponge. After you blend off your foundation, go back in with the concealer and do your eyes, forehead, lip, and chin. Oh, also don't forget your nose. And then blend it out with your sponge. To set this concealer, I'll be using Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the color 16H. And this is what it looks like. And I'll be using the sponge that comes with it. So just press it in. And then press it in. I just keep pressing mine in until I don't see any more dark circles. Okay, this is what your face should look like now. And then I'll be going in with my contour. I'll be using this brown color right here. And then the side edge of this brush. So start off with your cheeks. Forehead. Go around your hairline, but making sure to avoid your eyebrows. And then do your chin. Now it's time to dust off the powder you put on for your concealer. Just use the front facing part of this and just swipe away. to conceal your nose, use that same brown color and this brush right here. And then this is what your highlight and contour should look like. Now it's time for blush. For blush, I'll be using this pink color right here. And then this edge of my sponge right here. So I like to do mine by like doing a little smile and then pumping up my cheeks and then just blending it in. Make sure not to get your blush into your highlight, because then it'll just like ruin what you just did. This is what your blush should look like. And then it's time for highlight. For my highlighter, I use NYX Born to Glow Makeup Palette. And then the colors I'll be using are these two. So I'll be starting off with the lighter color. Make sure not to get it to where you highlighted. And then just start above and wrap around. Do your lip. And then go in with the darker color. With this look, you're making a statement, so I'm packing on as much highlighter as I feel like doing, but you could go light if you want to. I'll just be going in. And for the lips, I'll be using Chapstick first. And then I'll be putting on this goldish color eye crayon I got. It came with a kit, so I don't have the exact name. I'm using this to line it, and I'll put it over my entire lip. I feel like you can use any brown lip liner or whatever you want to do. But this one has like a hint of gold, so it adds some pop. This is what my lips look like now. And then I'll be going over top of this with this coppery lip gloss I got from the beauty supply store. The name wore off, but just use something like gold, copper, or whatever you want to do. And just put this on top. So I do the bottom lip first, and I just blend in with the top. And then just add more as needed. This is your finished lip look. So this color eyeshadow mixed with this lip is giving me fierce Black Lives Matter. Like, this is just, I look like a queen. This gold lip gloss lipstick mixed with this eyeshadow just is giving me life. And then to set my face, I'll be using Maybelline Matte and Poreless setting spray. Just spray it on. Clean your face. Ooh, that highlights on. What? Flick. I'll be putting on some gold hoops. And the look is complete. Black Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.